Bay window installation. Clinton Township is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and functionality. Custom bay windows. Clinton Township offer a unique design that can be tailored to fit any architectural style, providing both aesthetic and practical benefits. Bay window replacement. Clinton Township is an excellent option for those looking to upgrade their existing windows to more energy-efficient bay windows. Clinton Township, which can help reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Vinyl bay windows. Clinton Township are a durable and low-maintenance option, perfect for those seeking affordable bay windows. Clinton Township without sacrificing quality. Wooden bay windows. Clinton Township, on the other hand, offer a classic and timeless look, ideal for traditional homes. Bay window design. Clinton Township can be customized to suit any taste, with a variety of bay window styles. Clinton Township available to choose from. Bay window contractors. Clinton Township are experienced professionals who can guide you through the entire process, from selecting the right bay window dimensions. Clinton Township to choosing the best bay window materials. Clinton Township for your needs. Bay window experts. Clinton Township can provide valuable insights into the latest bay window trends. Clinton Township, ensuring your home stays stylish and up to date. Bay window solutions. Clinton Township are designed to meet the specific needs of each homeowner, offering a range of bay window options. Clinton Township to suit any budget or preference. Bay window upgrades. Clinton Township can include features such as enhanced insulation, improved security, and modern bay window aesthetics. Clinton Township. Bay window maintenance. Clinton Township is essential to keep your windows looking and functioning their best, with regular cleaning and inspections recommended. Bay window enhancements. Clinton Township can transform your living space, providing additional natural light and creating a cozy nook for relaxation. Bay window specialists. Clinton Township are skilled in delivering high-quality installations and repairs, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Bay window features. Clinton Township can include built-in seating, storage solutions, and decorative elements to enhance the overall look and feel of your home. Bay window benefits. Clinton Township extend beyond aesthetics, offering improved energy efficiency, increased property value, and enhanced comfort. Bay window innovations. Clinton Township continue to evolve, with new materials and technologies being introduced to the market. Whether you're looking for a traditional or contemporary design, there are bay window options. Clinton Township to suit every style and preference. In conclusion, investing in bay window installation. Clinton Township can significantly enhance your home's appearance and functionality. With a wide range of custom bay windows. Clinton Township available, you can find the perfect solution to meet your needs and budget. Trust the bay window experts. Clinton Township to deliver exceptional results and enjoy the many benefits of beautiful, energy-efficient bay windows in your home.